Honda Genuine Parts. Brake pads and disc. What is the value of Honda Genuine Parts? Honda Genuine Parts are more than just a logo. Honda Genuine Maintenance Parts safeguard your motorcycle's continuing high standards of performance in terms of safety, comfort and drivability. These Honda Genuine Maintenance Parts are of identical quality to those used in the making of Honda vehicles. You are ensuring that your vehicle will continue to offer you a comfortable ride, superior handling and road-holding qualities and the highest standards of protection. For example, brake pads. They can generate progressive and powerful braking force to ensure safety and satisfaction in multiple terrains and environments. What Honda cares about is not only the braking force. To increase wear resistance and to minimize unpleasant vibration and noise, numerous tests are being conducted repeatedly. You are helping to extend your vehicle's useful life and you can enjoy many years of enjoyable motoring.